Hi, I'm Carla from California.
And I'm Ernesto from California.
We purchased a move-in ready home for the pure convenience. We wanted to buy, it was a good time for us. We'd already sold our home in California and it was a good time to roll that money into a home right then and there. For me, it was the aesthetic, the community.
And for me, it was the way the house was built, or how well the house was built.
I love the huge open floor plan and the wood tile floors.
I like the bathroom because it's has a walk-in shower and just the features are very well made. The feature that I thought was very surprised with was the attic, because in California we don't have attics. They're just very tiny and you have to crawl in them. Don't like doing that.
We really enjoyed the interaction with the community sales manager, Brent. He was there from the beginning to the end, kept us updated with emails, phone calls, and text. We shopped purely online because, again, we were out of state, and the photos online were beautiful. The homes and the features really stood out from all the other homes that we compared to online. Buying was easy. Even us being out of state, everything was done through Brent, Oklahoma City Abstract and Title, which found us a notary in our city where we lived in California. We just went and signed the closing documents, which they had FedEx to them, and we had to do absolutely nothing.
Since we're in California, we weren't here for the initial walkthrough. The 3 items that were found, I think there was 3 items, were fixed by the warranty department immediately, and done before we even came here to see the house.
We would absolutely recommend Homes by Tabor. It's been a wonderful experience.